Very carefully now, I'll mark out the central dot positions. I still have my centre line, and I use that and the ends of the frets to locate where my dots are going to go. And as I'm talking, I mark out for 2 dots there, whereas I'm actually going to have a circle. Once you have double and triple checked your positions, use a bradawl so that your drill bit does not wander. Can you imagine drilling in the wrong place? I don't need to imagine, I have done it before. Now that I've got all of the positions marked out with a bradawl, it's time to use a small 3mm centre point drill bit. You have to use a power tool ready to save time, but you don't have to use something boring. This is a lovely old Black & Decker. They invented power drills, by the way, or at least the commercial version for the public, shall I say. Anyway, let's get some drilling done. So, I have a lovely little piece of almost veneer walnut, and I require some 3mm dots. This is a little leather punch, and I'm being naughty. I'm going to use it as basically a plug cutter, and this is because I can't find for the life of me a 3mm plug cutter. But this should do the job. Let us see. Little drop of super glue. Because I'm gluing wood and wood, I could probably use Titebond here, but because I'm filming, I thought I'd use something a little bit quicker. Our walnut inlay dot. And that goes in there. I am wearing goggles. As I've said many times, if you've watched my videos, when you're doing this sort of thing, protect your eyes. Super glue does tend to spurt out. Let's see how this goes. Now, gluing in wooden dots is proving to be a little bit more interesting than standard mother of pearl and the like, because obviously wood can be, well, it can shatter and impact as you hammer it in. So you do have to be gentle and careful. Then again, that is guitar building for you, really. The neck is still securely fixed on my bench, and because this is wood instead of a file, you just very carefully pare away the excess with a sharp chisel. Can I say the word sharp often enough? With the excess chiselled away, we can attack the whole fretboard with some lovely 240 grit sandpaper. This is cloth backed stuff and really nice. You have to be careful that you get every single section equally, otherwise you will change the radius. And also, it won't be flat anymore, which would be far from ideal. And we have a spot left for the 12th fret inlay going in tomorrow.